guys, it's Denise with Niecy's Custom, and today I'm showing you how to design and cut vinyl using Silhouette Studios and a Cameo 4 from start to finish. If you're starting out, this is the video for you. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, that like button, that notification bell, and leave a comment on the comment section. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Let's jump into Silhouette Studios. Right now, I started with my 12 by 12 layout because that's the size of the cutting mat that I'm using. I'm using this custom phrase that I got from my library in Silhouette Studios. Once I have gotten my design, I'm going to resize this design because what I'm putting it on is going to be a 9 months onesie. So you can either change the width and height up here where width and height is, or you can just use the arrows and just size it down. I always use the arrows to size it down. I don't never go up there and change the width and the height. Okay, once I have done that, and that's what I want that size right there, because the onesie that I have is a 9 months onesie. Okay, once I have already resized it, I'm going to go here to my Send tab, and I'm going to go to the heat transfer. Matter of fact, it's already here. I picked the heat transfer, and by doing that, you can pick any kind of, what kind of heat transfer you're using, fabric, glitter, everything is different. But I had the heat transfer smooth. Okay, come on. I don't touch anything right here. I don't touch the cut edge. I don't touch anything. My bleed depth is going to be 3. My force is going to be 7, and my speed is going to be 7. Once you have set that, let's go ahead and put our vinyl on our cutting mat. Okay, I'm here with my cutting mat. I'm placing my heat transfer vinyl on my cutting mat, and once you place it on your cutting mat, make sure you don't have no air bubbles. And as you can see, I have 2 of them on there, but I never took the time out to take them out. So I'm going to place it on the machine. So I'm getting ready to load the mat onto the machine. You have to make sure that it lines up with the rollers and locked in place so it can cut properly. Okay, once you have placed it on the machine, lined up with the rollers, you're going to hit the arrow, the up arrow, if I can ever get it focused, the up arrow to move the cutting mat into the machine, what I'm doing now. And as you can see, it's rolling in. So we can go ahead and start cutting. Okay, once you have your cutting mat loaded in your Cameo, you're going to hit Send, and you're going to hit Send Mirrored.
Let's get started.
Okay, guys, I thought I was recording myself weaving my design out, but I wasn't. But right now I'm at my heat press and I'm just taking my lint roller and I'm just taking some of the lint off, placing the heat press on the onesie for a few seconds just to get the moisture out. And I'm getting ready to place my design. I'm folding it so it can be centered. Once that's centered, I'm gonna go ahead and put my Teflon sheet and pressing it. I'm pressing it for 320 degrees for 20 seconds.
0, 1. Let's get started.
And that's it. Your vinyl design is cut, weaved, applied perfectly. If you're ready to start your own custom products, check out more tutorials, tools at Niecy's Customs on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And that's it. Okay, guys. Talk to you later. Peace. Oh, yeah. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss my videos.